Enabling two-factor authentication to FA is an important step in securing your online accounts. This guide will walk you through the process of enabling 2FA on Severn Bancorp. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Severn Bancorp website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Security Settings section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account profile. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to select your preferred method for receiving the second factor of authentication. Common options include SMS text messages, email, or an authentication app. Choose one that suits you best. Step 5. Follow the verification process. After selecting your authentication method, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. This may involve receiving a code via your chosen method and entering it to confirm that 2FA is set up correctly. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Severn Bancorp account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated.